Hello, everybody. Back with another pair of Lowheat for the home. Yes, we have another pair. I mean, you already know what it is from the title. Crocs, clogs, slippers, mules, sandals, slip-ons, all that, all that cozy footwear, comfortable in-home footwear is still popular post-pandemic, tail end of pandemic. Man, how happy are Birkenstocks? Low key. I mean, let's be real. No one should be happy, but wasn't bad for them that people were indoors for 2 years. These, I will say, have grown on me. I did an unboxing video of these Birkenstocks Arizona shearlings, and I was a little worried at first. I got them a little big, but once I got the strap situation fixed and I've worn these and they've started to mold to my feet more, really been enjoying them, especially in fall here where it's been a little cooler, even in Southern California. Really liking these more. I would still go a half sized or maybe even a full size down from what I got. You can see the extra room that I have, but it's not nearly as bad. I was really worried at first. I got them on sale. Wasn't gonna be able to return them, but let's get to these. Check that unboxing if you want. Short review though is I'm enjoying them. Get them on sale though. They're expensive, full price. You can get them on sale normally. Okay, today we have, as you see by the box, another pair of Salehe Bembury Crocs, the Pollex Clog, aka the Pollex Clog. Got them in size 11 because last time I did get a pair of these already in that teal color, aquamarine color, teal blue color, and I got them in size 12. I always go size up a half size to be safe, especially with something like this that's not leather, that's not going to give, that I want to be comfortable. But they were too big, and they're now when he does drops, he always puts out a warning post, and so does Crocs. Go a half size down to even a full size down. So I got the right size this time. I'm gonna give those pair away as a gift to someone. So anyways, we got size 11 this time in black, or what they're calling the Sasquatch colorway. We have Salehe's signature design language, his thumbprint. Well, it's a mix of 5 fingerprints apparently, but I think that's pretty dope. I like what he did there. When you're coming up with, it could be a little daunting coming up with your own brand. I have zero brand other than I unbox Lowheat stuff, and I was struggling with what my other name is, and I just fell back on my gamer tag, which kind of loosely deals with fashion, fancy pants. But it's hard. So salute to a professional designer, of course. Leave it to them, talented ones, to figure it out. But this whole be a sponge, his fingerprints metaphorically, physically on his products, I think that's, I know, home run. Not that he needs my approval, but if he happens to stumble across this video, I applaud the self-branding. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what we got. Okay, now, right away, these are much more wearable than the other colorway. That's why I was stoked to have another shot at these. And also, you know what, I'll get into this, stoked that these are more attainable nowadays. I got these for retail, copped off a Kith raffle, so shouts to Kith. Have decent success with Kith. And these are, Pollex clogs in general, and along with the shoe market, have come down. You can get Pollex clogs, Salehe Crocs, for retail. Right now, I think that Kuwata colorway, that's kind of like peach kumquat colorway. They have kumquats out here in California. I don't know if they have them by your neck of the woods. But anyways, that is readily available on retail shelves. I think Atmos has most sizes. And then this was I think a little bit more popular colorway. As I said, it goes with more stuff. This one, you can get on StockX for around retail. I think these retail for $85. Shipping tax, I think I was paying up close to $100. So on StockX, these are going for around mid 70s, high 80s, or in the 70s, 80s, in there, and with taxes, fees, and shipping and all that, you're going to pay over $100. You're going to pay a little bit more than me, but not crazy. Not what these started out as. So if you want a pair, just do a little search. If you don't care about colorway, you can definitely get a pair, I think, for retail, that Kawada colorway. And if you really are dead set on a colorway, any of the more recent ones, you shouldn't have too, shouldn't be pressed. The wallet shouldn't be squeezed too tightly to get a pair that you want. So I'm hoping that all those who want to get them, who are watching this video, are able to get them without breaking the bank. Because you really shouldn't spend too much on this. This is all, what is this made out of? I don't know if they're going to say here. They should. Well, they're made in China, and some sort of polymer foam mold. It's just a mold, and they squirt stuff into them, and then it cools, and there you have it. I thought they were going to give... Anyway, someone tell me what this is made of, because I'm not going to waste your time and bore you while I try to search for it. But I like these. When I put the other ones on, they're a little bit much, but I could see wearing these around the house more. And it's crazy what the slipper, clog, mule industry has gone through. And Salehe's done such a good job. It's always, a badge of honor when the brand you're working with, Crocs, they now have like a takedown version of these, essentially. A ready general release pair that's, you can readily get online at Journeys, wherever. So that's always, flattery. Imitation is the greatest form of flattery, and Crocs is like, hey, why are we just selling these once a month? We could just sell these all the time. And so there's definitely one that they put out recently that looks like this. But, like partly working from home and people staying at home had a hand in making these popular, but definitely people pushing the design and the silhouette. I hate to give Kanye any sort of roses nowadays, but his foam runner and slide, definitely different, and he was kind of one of the first. But Birkenstock, their clogs, they've been around the block forever. Crocs have been around the block forever. These artists just took them in a different direction, Salehe being one of them. Got me to buy a Croc. I would never buy a Croc. And they were getting popular just through people like, I think, Post and Malone and Justin Bieber wearing them. That wouldn't be enough for me. I just didn't like the look of them. And, what Salehe's done with these has got me to like the look of them. So even if, all my favorite male, female celebrities that I really liked, sports athletes, were wearing clogs, I just, didn't vibe with the shape on the foot. Just looked a little too dorky, even if all the cool people are wearing them. Maybe eventually I'd come around. I don't want to say with 100% certainty I would never wear a Croc, but wasn't looking like it. And then these came out, and granted, yes, they are. I'm under the safetyness of these are now cool, but these look way better than a regular Croc, in my opinion. Let me know if you feel the same way as me in the comments. And while you're commenting, go ahead and subscribe. I haven't plugged the channel yet. Please subscribe. That would make me very happy. But, these still have that kind of raised clog-like toe. Same shape, but I don't know whether it's just that there's no small circles or what. I love the, the fingerprint flow and pattern of these. Just looks a lot better in my opinion. And I would like to see how many of you are like me. There's got to be. Crocs is doing, crazy business, I think, especially on these. So I would think a lot of people are like me. Even an 11 is big. I have crazy room, and I am normally an 11.5 in most stuff. That's my size. Sometimes 12, sometimes 11, but even in an 11, I got room, and I'm wearing socks. I'll spare you the feet pics. I have on my Stance, what are these, Cafe Du Monde socks. Man, I could go for a beignet. And yeah, they look good, right? You can run to Starbucks in this. Get, man, I'm sick if you can't hear it. Get a medicine ball. That's great tip. If you don't know what a medicine ball is, get one. I'm not a big tea person, but they are great. Anyways, I like these. Wonder what I gave the last ones. I'm gonna give these, I think, a 7.5. 7's good, right? It's wearable. I like this colorway. You can't go wrong with these. So we'll give it up 7.5. But yeah, sizing, man, I'm 11.5. These are an 11, so these are half size down, and I got plenty of room. Like, I don't know what a 10 would be like. I don't know if that would be too small, but definitely do not go half size up. Do not go true to size. Go down if you can, whether it be half size or full size. Go down. It would be my suggestion. Yeah. So let me know in the comments what you think of these, what you think of Salehe's work. Again, if you like these, you should be able to cop a pair around retail, if not for retail. So best of luck, and please subscribe because I have a lot more Lowheat. I copped a lot of stuff recently. Shouldn't have, but I'm doing it for you guys. So if you watch, you'll make it worth it, and I appreciate that. All right, peace.